It's the last trading day of October, and it was a pretty tough one.
But Farnoosh, everyone's turned bullish. I don't know a bear. I don't know a single bear.
Because we think it can't get any worse.
Can't
than
get any
this.
worse.
Right.
Can't get any worse. Your valuation's incredibly low. Every time anybody gets in trouble, the Fed bails you out. The Asia got back in the mix this week. A big Europe rate cuts coming. China could do more rate cuts. I'm looking at it a little bit different. I'm saying that there are still bargains of stocks that have good yields, still bargains of recession resistant, still bargains of companies that are trading near cash, infrastructure companies. But I am not going to get on board for a general market rally. And I'm not going to get on board for a general market rally because we just had one. We've gone from 8,000 on the Dow to what I think is going to be 9,500. Okay, at 9,500, I think we're going to stall. So your last few points are upon us, and I think that you take them if you're very good at trading. And there I buy the banks. But I think you have to understand that this persistent bid underneath comes from pension plans that have to put more money in stocks. And it comes from the end of the mutual fund selling season. And it comes from a belief that the redemptions are over. Because remember, redemptions for October from hedge funds, well, it's over. You'll get a new round November. November historically is a very seasonably good month. I don't think that even matters anymore. I think none of those things have worked. What I'm saying is there's another 300 points here. And those 300 points will be, you have to take them with pearl. Okay, it's just feels good. That's all that's going on right now is it feels good. And that has always been something where you have never made a lot of money coming in on, say, day 6 of a feel-good rally. So I would say we have upside. I agree with that. We have upside. I do think that as we go higher, we're going to begin to get people who made a lot of money and want to take it off the table. We have no hedge fund redemptions. Be aware that they're going to start up again. And most importantly, be aware that an unemployment number is going to come up next Friday. It's going to be really horrible, and the Fed won't be able to bail you out. So take the 3 days coming, including today.
Okay.
But then be conscious that there are some bad economic news, and if the Europeans don't cut, we will go back to October 10th. We will go there.
300 points.
300 points coming.
Okay, thanks a lot, Jim Cramer. This is Wall Street Confidential. Have a good weekend.